This video shows how to buy shares of Bakkt Inc. and explains the search phrase, how to buy shares of Bakkt Inc. Bakkt is a digital asset infrastructure company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BKKT. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy BKKT, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you will have to verify your account, which typically requires a government ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BKKT to find Bakkt Inc. Locate the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the Bakkt stock page to see basic company information and a price chart for context. Confirm the company name, ticker BKKT, and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your Bakkt position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform shown.